how to use loans on Binance. So Binance offers crypto-backed loans, which basically means you lock crypto as collateral and borrow another asset against it. For example, borrowing USDT using Bitcoin as a collateral. Now, to do that, first you want to go to the loans tab, or if you can't find it, you can click on the search bar here on the top and then search for loans and click on the search. And now you want to open up the loans under the functions here. Click on loans. And then you want to click on the start borrowing button. Now you want to choose a collateral, for example, Bitcoin, Ethereum, or BNB. So for example, you can choose here anything. For example, USDT, search for it. Or if you can't find it, you can use Bitcoin. Make sure you have enough balance and then specify the amount here. So for example, $1,000 worth of Bitcoin. Or you can press on the max button to basically max out the amount you own in Bitcoin. And then in the box below, you want to select the other crypto that you want to borrow. So for example, USDT, and you can type, I want to borrow $1,000 of USDT. And if you scroll down, you can review at the bottom the current LTV, which means the loan to value, and the margin call LTV, the liquidation LTV. Now all you gotta do is check this box and then click on the confirm button below to borrow. Now if you need more details about the current LTV and all of these information here, you can click on each one of them and this should bring up a window explaining what that is with details. And to repay the loan, you want to simply come back to the loans page here. And you should find your active loans in this window. And if you can't see them, you can click on the history page on the top right here. And this should open up the loan order where you can see ongoing orders, loan history, repayment, and a bunch of other stuff here. Now all you gotta do is select your active loan and then click on repay, whether you want to partially repay it or fully repay the loan. And once fully repaid, your collateral funds at the beginning unlocks. Otherwise, it will remain locked. And one important thing to notice here is if your collateral's price drops, your LTV will increase. And if it does hit the liquidation level, you will basically lose a part or all of your collateral that you put in the beginning before taking the loan. So just be aware and keep that in mind. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and see you on the next one.